Hey, it's Kay. Welcome back to another YouTube video. So today I got a little treat from my 3C4A girlies. You know, it's getting hot outside. It's about to be summer, all right? I know we just touched spring, but it's about to be summer. I'm showing you guys 5 different summer hairstyles that'll keep your hair out of your face, you're not sweating, and it just keep your curls looking cute. This is one of the hairstyles right now, so if you want to see this hairstyle, then keep on watching. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, and let's get into the video. So for video purposes, I'm gonna do exactly what she does in the video. Now me, I have to have gel in my hair for it to even stay. But just so the other hairstyles don't look a little wonky, I'ma just go ahead and keep it with the water. Okay, so the first thing she did in the video was she took the front sections and she clipped them off. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to make them as even as possible. And she took a little clip and she did that. And now we're going to do half up, half down. So we're gonna take both sides. And I'm gonna use a little spray bottle. Take a brush and you're just gonna brush up. And this is a great hairstyle for low manipulation. Literally, you just brush it up a little bit. Don't do like a slick. And then you just put it up in a high ponytail. Like that. And you take down the front pieces. I said I was gonna try and make it even and I absolutely did not do that. So I'm just gonna take some pieces down because wow. And we're gonna take these 2 front pieces and we're gonna finger coil them. If you don't know how to finger coil, this is how you do it. Spray some water and I'm gonna put a little bit of curl cream on it. Whatever your favorite curl cream is, you use that. I'm gonna use this much. I'm gonna just rake it through a little bit and I'm gonna start from the top right here. I'm gonna wrap it around like that at the root. We're gonna go all the way down like that. And see, it's like a little perfect curl. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. And this is the first look. Super easy, super quick, and you can style and define the curls more. My hair is currently stretched right now, so that's why it's a little frizzy. So this one is for my girls who know how to cornrow. And if you don't know how to cornrow, I have another style for you, or I could just show you an alternative way. So what you're going to do is you're gonna part from about the middle of your head. The part should line up with your ear. And I'm gonna take this part, I'm gonna look at it from the top, and I'm going to do it on the other side. Just to hold it for the moment, I'm gonna put this in a ponytail in the back. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna do one part in the middle. Something like this. And you're gonna take this part, just wrap it real quick and put it up. So this side is going to be for my braiders and this side is going to be for my non-braiders. I'm going to take some Eco Gel. I like to take Eco Gel because it's not too stiff. And if I do want to take any of these hairstyles out, it's not going to make my hair too tacky. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it around my edges and the perimeter of where the part is. So how I like to start off my cornrows, there's 2 different ways. You can do a curved one or you can do straight. I'm going to do the curved one and this is the easiest way for me. So I like to take my comb and I like to go ahead and section it so it's already started with a curve. You're going to take your hair and you're going to braid it 3 times, 2, 3, and you're going to take and you're gonna go under. Now, I know there's many different ways of doing cornrows, but this is just the easiest way for me. I was not blessed with the way to do it with the one hand. And I like to grab with the other hand, scoop and braid. And for every braid, once I get off of my head, I like to use some mousse. And it really helps keep the braid in place. And take some mousse and curl the ends. And now I'm going to do the other braid. So take some gel, put it on the root, and it's okay if you can't get it because it took me a while to learn how to braid. And even I still mess up sometimes. And it'll look something like this. So for the girls who can't braid, you're gonna do the exact same thing. Get some gel and you're gonna line your hair with it. You're going to take a chunk in the front and you're going to twist. Do a 2-strand twist. And you're going to take a section of your hair and you're going to twist back. I'm gonna twirl one side, twirl the other side. We're gonna twirl, twist, and twirl. And you're gonna do a flat twist just like that. And you're gonna go all the way down. And it'll look something like this. And it's not much different than the braid, just a little bit, but it's way easier. How I learned how to braid my hair was to flat twist first. If you don't know how to braid yet, consider this your first step. That was just a demonstration for the girls who couldn't braid. So now I'm going to put braids on this side and I'm gonna finish the hairstyle. Okay, so this hairstyle is gonna be another one of those those half up, half down hairstyles. So what you're going to do is you're going to section off about half of your hair. You can tell the girl in the inspo pic did like an actual calculated perfect part, but I'm just going to do like a rough one. And I'm going to spray my hair. For video purposes, I'm only using water, but use gel. And you're going to take your hair tie and you're going to take the 2 braids on each side and you're going to put them up. And now we're gonna do some edges. Just use a little bit of edge control. I just do a cute little swoop. I like to make it look a little bit more natural now. Growing up, I used to do the whole little ocean wave with the little curl. You can define your curls as much as you'd like. You can add some gold clips to it. You can do a lot with this hairstyle, and I found it to be super cute. And why have I not done it before? I don't know, but it will be in my roster now. This hairstyle is for my beginners again. This is the flat twist hairstyle. This is at the part left over from last hairstyle. I'm just gonna use it like this, but you're going to part your hair all the way around. And now you're going to take your comb and you're going to section it off. Make sure it's straight and even. Now you can part it in equal sections or you can just do it as you go. I'm gonna just go ahead and do it as I go. It's going to be the same as last time, but it's going to be going back instead of going to the side. It is a little difficult, but you will get it. So you're gonna take the front section and you're going to twist 2, 3, and then you're gonna get some more. You're gonna scoop and twist. Take one of these and you're going to secure it just like that. And now I'm gonna do the rest and then I'm gonna show you. Now for this last section, instead of flat twisting it, we're gonna braid it. We're just gonna do a normal braid down. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do it to the other side. All right, so now it's gonna look something like this. And now I am most definitely about to style my hair because it's looking a little crazy. With this hairstyle, I would most definitely put some beads at the end of the braids. I think that would be so cute. Also, you could do like different colored rubber bands, or you could put little gold cuffs around to kind of also hold the hair back a little so you can see the design. So that is this hairstyle. Also with this, to really show off your work, you could do a half up, half down. So we're gonna part again and we're gonna line the part up with our ear. You're going to make a little half circle right here in the front like this. Try to make it as even as possible. This is my little hack of always having my hair slicked down. I'm gonna spray my hair with water first and then I'm gonna go in with gel. Now we're gonna section this off, take some water and spray our hair. And now we're gonna use one of these little rubber bands to secure it and do the other side. And it's gonna look something like this. You already know, take some mousse. We're gonna braid the hair. And then you're going to separate the braid, pull it out just a little bit. And it'll change the braid from this to this. So you're gonna go ahead and take this part right here, spray it down, and I'm gonna brush it to the side and put a little gel on it so it can hold, get all my edges with it. And we're gonna take it and we're gonna go to the back and we're going to find a piece close, just a little strand like this, and we're going to secure it. So I'm going to take one side of my hair, I'm gonna put it to the side and get a bobby pin and secure it. And then I'm gonna get the other side and do the exact same thing. Do some edges real quick. And this is the final look for this hairstyle. So for this one, we're actually going back to the cornrows with my hair. Same way I've been splitting it this entire time. I'm gonna go ahead and do that again. I'm gonna go ahead and take my comb and take the metal part and I'm gonna go ahead and just cross over my whole front of my head. At this point, you already know how I like to braid my hair. So you're gonna repeat that process and you're gonna go ahead and take the gel, put it in the part. You're gonna do 2 cornrows. And then for this side, you're gonna start the braid up here. All right, and it's gonna look something like this. I'm gonna do 2 pigtails. So I'm gonna part it down my head. This is most definitely not going to be perfect because my mirror is in the other room. I hope and pray it's in the middle. Is it? Okay, if it isn't, I don't know about it because it's in the back of my head. At this point, you would go ahead and gel your hair. I'm gonna take the braid and I'm gonna put it in the pigtail. I'm gonna take the rubber band and I'm gonna go 1, 2, all the way through. And in 3, I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna do it like this. and it'll make it a little bun. Get some of the curls out. I like to either get some curl cream or some mousse. Get some pieces, and then I'll finger coil. And this is the final look for this one. And that is the end of today's video. I gave y'all 5 hairstyles to do this summer, and I better be seeing them because they're cute, they're convenient, and lastly, it'll keep you from sweating while still being stylish. So hopefully y'all enjoyed today's video. Hopefully you got something out of it. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.